You sure?
Yeah, I don't want to cook anything important back there.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today's a dreary, drizzly, cool, well maybe even almost cold day.
Yeah, we actually had to close up some of the windows. The breeze was too cold. That's a scary thought.
So we have a lot of things going on today. I have to fix the refrigerator. We've been getting, well actually Irene's been getting a bunch of green beans ready to can. We don't normally can green beans.
Well, we prefer frozen green beans. However, the freezer is full of green beans. There's no more room in them. And we still have a couple of different colors of green beans left. So we're like, okay, the theory is that homemade stuff would be better than the commercial crap that comes out of a big canning factory and is stuck in a metal can. So we're trying two different kinds today. We're doing the regular straight canned green beans, and we're doing a couple of different kinds. We're doing purple ones and we're doing green ones. And then we're also experimenting with doing lemon green beans because we thought that was kind of a cool thing. Worst case, we never do it again. We'll throw them into a soup or something. You know?
All these green beans that we're canning right now will be perfectly fine in soups and stews. So
yeah, so if we decided we don't love it, eating it plain, it'll be fine. We just didn't really have any place else to put them at this point.
Well, we have space left in the freezer, but it's designated for other things.
No, we really... Have you looked in there recently? No, you haven't looked in there since we had to unpack the little freezer because the refrigerator fell over the other day and died. So
I think I'm going to get that fixed today. We'll see.
I'm pretty confident that it just needs to be cleaned and serviced, basically. So this will be the service man.
That'll be $80 trip charge.
No comment.
Let's get going, Irene. I'll need to leave 1 inch headroom, right?
1 inch headspace.
See how that is, please.
Yeah, that's about right. Some of the green beans float up, they always do, but. And some of these are some new lids, and we'll actually talk about those in a future video.
Future lids, what happened to the old ones?
Well, we have some pear lids, which are fine, and we have some ball lids, which are fine, but we have some Walmart lids that we will be returning the unopened containers.
And we have, what, 3 or 4 unopened containers left, don't we?
Yes, we have more than that. Actually, I've got a big pile of them over there, so the next time we go down to Walmart, I can go, hi, these are all unopened, I want money back. They can give me store credit, I don't care, I'll buy something else. But I don't want to use those anymore because we had some failing progress, shall we say, on our lids. So I found another source. It was a source I've been waiting for a while. Plus we have been able to score a few pear lids. I'm starting to see some of that stuff coming back in the store. The big thing that all of us should have learned this year is you cannot wait until you are in the middle of doing anything to look for the materials anymore. I always like to buy ahead because of how far out we live, but now it has become an absolute mandate that we buy ahead because the chance of us finding what we need when we need it is slim to none. So we're okay for the wide mouth. We're a little low on some of the small mouth stuff, the regular mouth. And I'll be ordering another package of these blue ones because I'm pretty pleased with them. They suck down well. They are definitely a heavier metal than the stuff we had gotten from Walmart. And we will not ever be using the Walmart lids again. When I am going to spend all the time to grow my vegetables and all the time to can my vegetables or big pickles or anything else, the last thing I want to do is risk having the lids fail.
Now, we bought those from Layman's, didn't we?
These new good ones that
right.
appeared, yes. Yes. We had originally tried to get stuff from Lehman's, and they've been sold out on a bunch of their stuff forever. You can get the ball lids through them now. But we got a pack of 60 or something like that of these little lids, and very pleased with how sturdy they are. They're definitely enamel coated on the inside, and I mean all the things you want, and they seem to be a heavier metal. I would expect Lehman's to be particularly picky about things like that because a significant percentage of their clientele relies on canned vegetables for their sustenance. I mean, you know, they cater to the Amish and to other homesteaders and stuff who rely on this kind of stuff. The last thing they want is to have lids failing on people. You know, and we were not happy to see lids failing on canned beans. But if I had lids failing on meat or something like that, I would be really ticked because meat is, you know, a little on the pricey side these days. I don't have longevity on these lids yet that we got from Lehman's, but they really do seem to be quality. And, you know, the only way to have longevity on a lid is to have it sitting around for a year or so. And we just haven't had that much time yet. But so far, at least in terms of the quality of how they appear and stuff like that, I'm very pleased. So.
That piece is done. We just have to wait for the canner to get up to temperature and start venting steam. It has to vent solid steam for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
And then how long are we going to let this run?
I think it's 20 minutes, but I'll double check the recipe to make sure. And we run it at 15 pounds pressure. And we turn it off, let it cool down, and we'll be ready to stick it on the shelf after I label it. So that'll probably happen tomorrow.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me get down on my hands and knees behind that refrigerator to fix things.
Hey, it works now, so seems like at least it's cooling, so that's a good start.
We'll see.
Yeah, you know, you don't know until you know, but I predict you'll be freezing the milk by next week.
Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications because...
Yeah, you know we're going to be doing plenty more, so...
I'm not going to be doing anything outside for a while because it looks like we're going to have more drizzle tomorrow.
Yeah, well, it's okay. It's a change of pace. We could use a change of pace right now.
Lots of stuff to do here in the house.
Plenty to do here.
Well, thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later.
Bye. Don't forget to brainstorm.